Hi, this is teacher Amanda, and today we will continue standard 4 month 4 exam paper 1 section B onwards, which is the social expression from page 5. Now, before we do social expression, there are two important things that we need to take note about. The first one is the speech bubble. Now, speech bubble that's located on top of the picture is usually the conversation starter, and the speech bubble that is located below the picture is usually the reply. Now, that's the first thing we need to take note of. The second thing that we need to take note of is the picture itself, because the picture itself will clearly shows whether which is the conversation starter or not. Now, let's take a look at question A. Yes, she draws well. So this is clearly the reply. So what is the question? Is she drawing a rocket? Yes, she draws well. Okay, this is the answer for question A. Now question B. Well done. Well done. Now this is clearly a reply as well. So what could be the question on top? So mother, I scored 8 A's in my midterm exam. So the mother replied, well done. Right, now look at question C. It's 3 p.m. Again, this is clearly a reply, so what can be the question? Excuse me, may I know what time is it now? Excuse me, may I know what time is it now? So this is a full question. So the answer and the reply would be it's 3 p.m. Alright, now also take note that 2 marks questions, you have to put it into more detail. So you cannot just ask what time is it now, or what time is it. You know, you got to put in more in a full sentence. All right, now let's look at the next one. This is called comprehension. Now, in order to answer comprehension, there is a few things that you need to take note about the question, and you have to read the question very carefully. All right, it can be very easy as well, but some questions can be tricky, so you have to read the questions carefully. And in this case, the letter, you have to read the letter carefully as well. Most of the answer of this of comprehension is already located inside the letter itself, or inside the question itself, so you have to read it carefully. Question A. What did the writer's father give her as a birthday question? So if you can see, it's in paragraph number 2 here, a guinea pig. Alright, now, so how do you answer? This is a 1 mark question, so you need to answer in full. Writer's father gave her a guinea pig as a present. That is how you should answer in a full sentence. You cannot answer just guinea pig. If you write guinea pig, maybe the teacher will minus your marks during the exam. Alright, now let's look at question B. What does the writer keep as pet besides the buddy? Now let's take a look. Now in paragraph 3, you can see, I feed it vegetable, nuts, biscuit, and even the food which I used to feed my kitty. Now kitty here means kitten, right? So the cat also the writer also keeps a cat as pet besides buddy. That's how you answer the 2 marks question. Okay, now let's look at the next question. What does plum in the second paragraph mean? Plum in the second paragraph means fat. Okay, if you do not want to use the word fat, you can use chubby. Alright, so where do you get the plum? Now it's plump and cute. Alright, so you can also answer plum in the second paragraph means fat or chubby. The next question, read the statement below and tick the correct statement in the box below. Okay, the first one, Susanti wishes Ani's family's health is in pink color. Is it correct? No, it's not. The correct sentence is in pink in color, which means healthy. It's an idiom. So this is clearly a wrong statement. Buddy lives in a hutch made by Susanti's father. This is a correct statement. Where do you get the answer from? The answer is in the third paragraph, which is here. Buddy lives in a hutch which was made by my father. That's where you get the answer. So this is a correct statement. Next one, Susanti received a pig as a birthday gift from his father. No, Susanti did not receive a pig. She received a guinea pig as a birthday gift. Okay, then the last one, Susanti's guinea pig is a vegetarian. Let's look. I feed it vegetables, nuts, biscuit, and even the food which I use to feed my kitty. Now, vegetable, nuts, biscuits, and even the food which I feed my kitty, it is vegetarian. So it's vegetable. There's no meat involved, so this is a correct statement. Now, describe how a body looks like. Now, the answer is already in the answer. Let's take a look. Over here, in second paragraph, is plump and cute. Its fur is white and brown. So how you can answer? You can change it a little bit. You can answer body looks fat and cute with white and brown fur, or body looks chubby and cute with white and brown fur. Alright, that's how you answer. Next one. Read Diana's diary below carefully and answer the question that follows. Now, let's take a look. How long was Diana's holiday? You can clearly see here is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 days from 18th of November to 21st of November 2009. So Diana's holiday was 4 days long. Now, describe what Diana saw at the Desacraft. Alright, let's look at paragraph number 1. Okay, our first port of call after a hearty breakfast was the Desacraft. This is the handicraft center where batik is made. So she saw how batik is made at Desacraft, a handicraft center. That's how you answer question B. Question C. How did Diana spectate the colorful and spectacular sea life and corals? Now, spectate. What does spectate mean? Spectate can there are a few meanings to spectate. Okay, another word for spectate can be view, V-I-E-W, view, or observe. Another word is also saw or see. Okay, the colorful and spectacular. Another word for spectacular is amazing or wonderful. Okay, so Diana spectated them by scuba diving and snorkeling. Where can you find the answer? The answer is in the last paragraph. We went scuba diving and snorkeling. We enjoyed the colorful and spectacular sea life and corals. Alright, now that's how you answer. What did Diana do at Kenyir Lake? Alright, at Kenyir Lake. So you can see at paragraph number 2, we went fishing at the lake. So what's the answer? Diana went fishing at the Kenyir Lake. That's the answer. Question E. Arrange the sentences below based on the diary above. Alright. The first one, Diana and her family checked into a hotel. After that, she had breakfast. Their next destination was Desacraft. She bought souvenirs for her friends there. You can get this at paragraph 1. Okay. Third one, they traveled to Kenyir Lake. They saw various types of flora and fauna along the way. Okay. Number 4, after that they went to see turtles laying eggs. And also lastly, they took a ferry to Pulau Redang and enjoyed experiencing the colorful and spectacular sea life and corals. That's how you answer question E. Let's look at the last comprehension. Read the passage and answer the question as follows. What is waste? Now, waste are things that we throw away, right? Things that we don't use anymore. Things that is another word for waste is like rubbish. Okay, so how do you answer? Waste is things that we throw away. Okay, now B. Underline the correct answer below. Now there's a trick to answer this question. First and foremost, you need to read the whole question. Alright, you need to read the whole question and the sentence before you answer. You cannot read halfway and answer it. Alright, you need to read the full sentence before you make you choose the correct answer. And the secondly is that the things that we use to read, if it sounds correct, is usually the correct one. Okay, let's look at the first one. A 60-watt light bulb can be run over a day. Okay, can be run over for a day as compared to can be running for over a day. So a 60-watt light bulb can be run over a day on the amount of energy saved by recycling 1 pound of steel. In 1 year in the United States, the recycling of steel saves enough energy to heat and light 18 million homes. Alright, so that's the answer for question B. C. What are the things that David recycled? Let's take a look. At which paragraph? At the third paragraph. From that day onwards, David became careful of everything that he threw away. He sent paper, plastic, aluminium, and glass to recycle bins. So, how do you answer? David recycled paper, plastic, aluminium, and glass. Alright, now let's look at the last question. Why must compost be mixed? Okay, where is the answer? You can get the answer from paragraph number 4. Alright, now towards the end, Miss Ng teaches them how to mix the compost so that there will be enough air circulation. Okay, so how do you answer is compost are mixed for a better air circulation. So that is how you answer paper 1 section B, social expression and comprehension. Thank you.